Choosing the best dash cam is no longer just about capturing your driving. It's also about safeguarding yourself, your car, and your peace of mind. A good dash cam might be the difference between worry and solid proof in the event of an unexpected accident, a close call, or something strange in a parking lot. Today's dash cams do more than just record. They can see in 4K, work in low light, monitor your location, link to your phone, and even guard your car while you're away. But with so many possibilities available, which ones are truly worth your money and trust? We've compiled a list of the finest dash cams that combine video quality, smart features, and real-world reliability to keep you safe on every drive. Let's get started. Number 7. Vantrue N4 Pro S. The Vantrue N4 Pro S feels more like a complete car security system than just a dash cam. It has 3 cameras that use powerful StarViz 2 sensors to record the front, cabin, and rear in ultra-sharp detail. The front shoots in crisp 4K, the inside records in clear 1080p with infrared for night, and the back shoots in 2.5K, which is substantially clearer than 1080p. If you don't need the cabin camera, you may switch to a front and rear mode, which puts all of the power on the road and runs cooler. This camera excels in difficult lighting conditions. With Plate Pix technology and improved night vision, it picks up license plates even in glare, darkness, or intense spotlights. The back camera is also waterproof and designed to withstand high temperatures, making it ideal for longer travels or larger cars. Built-in GPS records your speed and route, and fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi allows you to rapidly transmit clips to your phone and even upgrade the system wirelessly. Parking mode provides additional peace of mind by keeping an eye on things 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and capturing the moments before and after an impact or motion. The only major negative is that all of this capability and multi-camera recording might be storage intensive, and setup takes some time. Still, for drivers who want full coverage and consistent footage day and night, this is a highly complete and confidence-boosting system. Number 6. Red Tiger F7NP. The Red Tiger F7NP is one of those dash cams that discreetly boosts your confidence while you drive. It records in precise 4K from the front and 1080p from the back, giving you a great view of what's going on in front of you and behind you. It handles harsh illumination well thanks to the StarViz 2 sensor, a wide 170-degree view in front, and sophisticated WDR night vision, whether you're driving in the bright sun or through dark, headlight-filled streets. License plates and minor details are frequently clear, which is ideal for a camera like this. The built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi is a particularly welcome feature. It makes transferring films to your phone quick and easy, and the app allows you to rapidly preview footage, check your route and speed using the built-in GPS, and adjust settings without having to remove the camera from the windshield. Loop recording eliminates the need for storage management, and crucial clips are immediately secured when the G-sensor senses a bump or impact. Parking mode monitors your car while you're away, but it requires a separate hardwire configuration to function properly. On the negative, the rear camera is just 1080p, so it's not as sharp as the front, and the initial wire configuration can take some time. Nonetheless, with its dependable supercapacitor, high-quality video, and ease of use, it strikes an excellent mix between performance and usability. Number 5. Teransol D016. The Teransol D016 dashcam makes you feel as if your entire trip is being recorded in crystal clear detail, and it is. Both the front and rear cameras film in full 4K at the same time, which is still uncommon but extremely beneficial when you need to zoom in on details like license plates or road signs. The front camera's wide 170-degree vision readily covers multiple lanes, giving you a much broader perspective of what's going on around you rather than just what's directly in front of your hood. Day or night, the video quality is consistently amazing. With its bright optics and clever WDR night vision, it outperforms most basic dash cams in low-light settings, glare, and dark roadways. It also comes with lots of video storage and support loop recording, and the G-sensor immediately locks crucial clips if there is a sudden hit. You can even manually save a clip by pressing a button, which comes in useful for those just-in-case occasions. The built-in GPS is a fantastic feature as it displays your speed and route directly on the video and 3-inch screen. Fast Wi-Fi and a simple phone app make it simple to capture footage and adjust settings without having to take the camera down. Parking mode adds another degree of protection, but it necessitates additional wiring. The only significant drawback are the slightly more complicated installation and the fact that recording dual 4K can quickly consume storage. Nonetheless, for all-round coverage and clarity, it's an extremely capable arrangement. Number 4. Rove R2 4K. The Rove R2 4K Dual feels like a well-rounded dash cam that focuses on providing clear, reliable coverage from both the front and back of your vehicle. The front camera records in clear 4K, while the rear catches in full HD, and combined with their broad viewing angles, they cover a large portion of the road, ensuring you don't miss anything. The Sony StarViz 2 sensor and brilliant optics ensure that the footage remains vivid and colorful, especially at night or in low-light conditions, when a dash cam is most useful. One of the most useful everyday features is the speedy 5G Wi-Fi. Using the app, you can rapidly transfer recordings to your phone, preview clips, and change settings without touching the camera. The built-in GPS is also a significant benefit, marking your speed and route straight onto the video and displaying them on the clear 3-inch screen. Loop recording and the G-sensor operate in the background, so you don't have to worry about storage, and essential footage is immediately locked if there's a sudden hit. Parking mode adds another degree of protection with time-lapse, motion, and impact recording, but it requires additional wiring to function properly. On the negative, the rear camera is not as high resolution as the front, and setting everything up, particularly the rear camera and cords, can be time-consuming. Nonetheless, with its impressive video quality, dependable supercapacitor, and simple app interface, it strikes an excellent compromise between advanced features and everyday comfort. Number 3. Vero X5. The Vero X5 is an excellent example of a dash cam that makes things simple while still providing some quite helpful capabilities. The front camera records in sharp 4K, while the back camera captures in clear 2.5K, providing excellent coverage from both ends of the automobile. With wide viewing angles in both cameras, it effectively reduces blind areas and captures more of what's going on around you. The 3.39-inch touchscreen, which makes routine tasks feel modern and simple, whether you're checking clips, changing settings, or simply ensuring everything is recording correctly. One of its most notable features is its video quality, particularly at night. Because of its high vision and smart WDR, it handles dark roads and bright headlights significantly better than standard dash cams, keeping vital details like license plates visible. Loop recording operates quietly in the background, and the accompanying memory card allows you to start using it right now. If there is a quick bumper accident, the G-sensor automatically locks that clip so it is not overwritten, which is exactly what you want in a stressful situation. Parking mode provides additional peace of mind by monitoring your car while it is parked and uses time-lapse to save space, albeit this feature requires a separate hardware installation to function properly. On the flip side, putting up the rear camera and concealing the cords can take some time, but the rear image isn't as sharp as the front. Nonetheless, with its clear screen, excellent video quality, and simple app control, it's an extremely useful and confidence-boosting daily companion. Number 2. Rove R2 4K. The Rove R2 4K is a simple dashcam that concentrates on performing one thing very well, filming the road in sharp 4K. As soon as you see the film, you'll notice how much clearer it is than standard 1080p cameras, thanks to its wide 150-degree angle, which captures more of what's going on around your car. It also holds up well at night with its powerful lens and night vision technology. Dark roads and low light settings appear considerably clearer than you'd think from such a small camera. It's easy to use on a daily basis. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can connect it to your phone and easily preview clips, download videos, or change settings using the app without having to remove the camera from the windshield. The built-in GPS is a nice feature that stamps your speed and route straight onto the video, providing further context if you ever need it. Loop recording is enabled in the background, and the G-sensor automatically locks important footage if there is a sudden stop or collision, preventing you from accidentally losing something important. It also contains features like parking mode and time-lapse recording, which are useful for keeping an eye on your car while you're away, although using these properly normally requires some additional setup. The modest 2.4-inch screen is clear and not large, making it suitable for fast checks rather than detailed viewing, and because it's a single-channel camera, you can only cover the front. Nonetheless, with its excellent video quality, stable supercapacitor, and simple app interface, it's a great dependable choice for daily driving. Number 1. Afer A4. The Afer A4 appears to be a well-designed dashcam for drivers looking for clear coverage without turning their windshield into a gadget showroom. It records the road in 4K resolution in front and 1080p in the back, with wide viewing angles that capture more than just the lane ahead. The film appears clear and detailed, and due to the night vision and WDR, it handles dark streets, glare, and headlights significantly better than standard cameras. The 3.59-inch IPS screen is bright and simple to see, but the camera remains low profile well and does not obscure your vision. Everyday use is straightforward and practical. The built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi speeds up the transfer of the movies to your phone, and the app allows you to review footage or adjust settings without having to remove the camera. The built-in GPS quietly captures your speed and route, providing valuable context for your films. Loop recording eliminates the need to manage storage, and the G-Sensor immediately locks critical clips in the event of a sudden hit, which is reassuring when something unexpected occurs. Parking mode is another useful safety feature that keeps a watch on your car while it's parked. However, it does require an additional hardwire configuration to function properly. The accompanying memory card makes it ready to use straight away. However, the rear camera is not as sharp as the front because it only has 1080p resolution. Installation also requires some patience with the rear cable. Nonetheless, with its excellent front-facing video quality, compact form, and handy everyday functionality, it's a dependable and well-balanced dash cam for daily use. So there you have it, some of the best dash cameras available right now. Whether you want full front and rear coverage, crystal clear 4K detail, or simple dependable protection for everyday driving, regardless of whatever you choose, having a dash cam allows you to drive with greater confidence and peace of mind. If this list helped you narrow down your options, don't forget to like, subscribe to the Legit Pick channel, and enable notifications to never miss our latest honest reviews and top selections. Thank you for viewing, drive safely, and we'll see you in the next one.